Want to know how to make your heals invisible in Paladins? So it's not about healing damage, it's about healing before the damage happens. As a support, pre-fire your heals around corners on a diving alley. Make sure you do this. So first things first, you need to just follow my steps and do whatever I explain. This will help you a lot into making your heals invisible so that you can heal without letting your enemy know. So make sure you pre-fire your heals if you are a supporter, or heal your tank the moment you see enemy DPS peak and not after the shoot. Great healers react. Unkillable teams predict. Start your heal team before your flank turns the corner. Time your burst heal with the enemy's reload. And make sure you also make your healing feel like a permanent shield that they can't break. Make sure you watch Super Slick with it. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.